What's up, guys? Rich here with LaytonSportsCards.com, ripping a box of 12-13 Panini Select Basketball. This is for James R. Good luck, James. Let's see what you got, buddy. Kobe pack. 2 mini boxes. Let's see what's in the Kobe pack real quick. Just base Kobe cards there. Whoa. All right. Appreciate it, Darren. Thanks for your patience. All right. We got a hot rookies of Marshawn Brooks. Base after that. Refractor of Luol Deng. Nothing after that. All-Star Select insert, Grant Hill. Base. Redemption. Rookie auto, Charles Jenkins. I don't even know who he plays for. And who the heck is Charles Jenkins? Come on, camera. Charles Jenkins, rookie auto. Base after that. Refractor of Amari Stoudemire, Prism Refractor. Got a thick pack here. Oh, nice. That is an auto jersey refractor. Andre Iguodala. Pulling a lot of him tonight. Beautiful card. Select stars. Andre Iguodala. Very nice. That is 41 of 49. Nice hit there. Base, 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 base. Got a white hot Miles Plumlee. White hot Miles Plumlee. Base after that. We have a hot rookies of Jay Crowder. Oh, is he? I never would have known that, Richard. Refractor of Deron Williams. Deron Williams, refractor. Base cards. Got a white hot Kevin Love. And a hit. Rookie auto jersey, Malcolm Lee. Malcolm Lee, rookie auto relic. Very nice. That is 29 of 399. Refractor of Chris Bosh. And a rookie auto, Prism Refractor, Etwan Moore. Etwan Moore rookie auto prism refractor. 16 of 199. And your last pack. Insert of Wilt Chamberlain insert. Walt Chamberlain. And that will do it. Thanks, buddy. We'll get those right out to you, James. Appreciate it, man.